then you put big picture. Most times, people may not remember what you write, but they'll remember the picture. I saw you on Facebook. I saw you wore this, you wore that. You understand? Human beings will remember pictures. So make sure that your presentation is attractive and creative. Make sure that your proposal is attractive, is even if your evaluators, even if they miss certain content, they will not be able to miss the picture. They will not be able to miss the graphics. That's why you need to learn how to draw. You need to learn how to use Microsoft Publisher. You need to learn how to use Corel Draw. Okay? You need to learn how to use those applications. How many of you know how to use
people enjoy when they're also young people, they're doing these things. So if you ever think say you are alone, you're not alone. Now someone must have with a say with everyone. All the points is young people and then they before. So I really don't want anybody to think that you're less, that you're not enough, that you're not capable. It doesn't matter whose background you come out, your family when you call, oh you have to say, I can. Okay? I usually go once for the people like reach out, because I got this group called Girl Power Salon, a WhatsApp group anyway, also like official organization and everything. So I want for them to reach out, if I can WhatsApp me now, if they WhatsApp, you can text me, so I got
times that you have that you should just use them so wisely. Because in the future it's much harder for you to be catching up and balancing 20 different things in your life. It gets harder. Now you guys have all the time to study or to build careers or build businesses. Use them. Use them wisely. Because even with money, for you to be able to build wealth, which is what some people don't realize, wealth doesn't come overnight. People don't make money like that. And the thing I've noticed is, even if I give you a grant of 1 million and say this money, use it, dollars now, use it to build your businesses, unless you understand how money works and how to manage your finances, it's a complete waste of your time. Principles and foundations that you learn in life are what builds you up to get to where you need to get to. That's what makes the difference. The things, I remember my mother would say things like, this money is yours, you take what's yours, you don't touch other people's money. It becomes invaluable. Because people are watching you. Don't go and meet that woman, she doesn't do rubbish with that kind of, money. And then guess what? You get to a point in life, you don't apply for the job anymore. Your character speaks for you. What you stand for is what people will buy. That's how they'll go. They'll say, oh no, she's that kind of person. That's the way I'm going to go. So, when I started with African Moneypreneur, I wanted to be able to, one, teach people how to save, but also bring them along the journey. Because in Sierra Leone, you find, if we start a business today, we want the money today. We want results for everything that we do now. But life is a process, whether we like it or not. It is a process. And nothing comes to you like that. And people don't want to suffer. Nobody wants to suffer these days. If I am getting it now, let it come now. And before you say everything, you start praying on it. It has to come. But life is a process. Life does not just happen to you. There are foundations that you need to have in place before certain things can happen. It has to be in place. There are things that you have to make choices now that can lead on for the future. You cannot just get because of today. I mean, most people will say, yes, this person started their business and they got this immediately in Nigeria. But do you know what the person did beforehand? Do you know how many businesses have failed? Most people look at Moneypreneur and they think, it started 2016, so 2018 is the result. No. Do you know how many have failed before that? Failure is not a bad thing, Failure is not a bad thing at all. People don't like to fail, so they don't try. Me, I don't have any problem. I tried. Let me fail. But the lessons I've picked up from my failures have been so valuable in building what future things I have to do. So lessons I learned from previous attempts to open businesses and what is sustaining my new businesses now going forward. There are things that you cannot escape in life. That's what I found. For you to be successful, there is hard work. Don't let anybody deceive you. There are days that when I was trying to become like a chartered accountant, we used to sit on a table because first of all, my employer said they weren't going to pay for my exams. And most people had their exams paid for. So I had to use all my savings to pay for my exams. But then I found out because I had to use my own money, my determination was on a different level. It was a sacrifice for me to use my own money. So we used to have a table like this, a dining table, at a friend's house, and we would all sit by that table. You dare not sleep more than 1 hour. Now slap the wake you, because the person will say, what are you doing, Christine? We have to finish this exam. Nobody is going to wait for you to repeat next year and come back and sit here. And because I grew up in Nigeria, so I had loads of Nigerian friends. They would be like, get up, let's do this quickly. And that's the determination that came as a result of making your own payments, taking money out of your own pocket to make things happen. So exams that people will take years to do, I was finishing. Not because I was the smartest, like Precious mentioned, but it's just because I was determined to finish it. Intelligence has its place. To be super intelligent person, it has its place, it has advantages. But determination is what takes it all. Perspiring and pushing yourself to be able to get to that place which you need to get to. That's what it takes. People say, I don't get that kind of book sense thing. You don't need it. You just need to be able to say, this is what I want, and this is what I'm going for. And that's all you need. Forget intelligent, most intelligent. No. You need a determination. And then when you get there, be ready to say, okay, I'm here, I've got this. Aspire for more. There's a tendency when you get one thing that you've been aspiring for a long time to say, oh, well, I don't arrive. I find that so much in Sierra Leone. Somebody gets a job, and they're like, we're there. The interesting thing is, I remember I was in a conference, a Women in Africa conference, 2 weeks ago. And I was telling some of the people I met that I was quite amazed to see what most of the other women were doing and how amazing they were working. Your environment is small. Let's face it. Sierra Leone, we're only a certain number of people. Imagine that there are 53 more countries in Africa alone. What we are doing here is small. Social media, like she said, is vital for you to be able to use it and grow yourselves. Use it wisely. Make yourself valuable. Go out and seek more. I would sit in a room when we went for the conference, and one lady will get up and they will be asking her, so what do you do? She's like, oh yeah, I'm a doctor. I finished from Johns Hopkins, which is like one of the topmost medical schools. Yeah, my medical degree, and then I am going on to do another degree in XYZ. And after that, I hope to build my business in this way, because she was pitching for a business. And I sat there and I was like, oh my goodness, imagine, this is the kind of aspiration some women have that I'm sat with. They're medical doctors working in top organizations, building businesses that are massive as well. So you can't limit yourself to say, because I'm in this school, I'm with these people, this is where my limits are. No, there's much, much more that you can achieve. Much, much more. And until you start exposing yourselves, looking past your environment, you cannot go bigger than your environment. Unless you start aspiring for much more than what your environment is producing, you cannot go bigger than that. You have to look for much, much more than you're doing. Must do that. And I think what is really, really essential, so when we started the Moneypreneur, was the fact that we wanted women who were going to be working as, in their entrepreneurial journey, having that backup to be able to say, oh yeah, let me manage my finances. Let me be able to do much more than I am currently doing. And that's why we started that platform. To be able to say, okay, my money journey is not that difficult. It only takes planning. You cannot avoid planning your finances in whatever you do. And I think I'm in admiration of people that start businesses without their own personal finances organized. Because unless your personal finance is organized, you're an extension of your person in your business. The same way you are disorganized in your personal, you'll be disorganized in your business finance. And that's what we do at Moneypreneur. We try to be able to organize people's finances. And with the exposure of the conference I just went to, we're looking at launching more platforms that would enable people to be able to manage their finances better. And so a lot in the pipeline for us going forward. I'm not going to dwell on this much longer. I think I'll just round up here. But if there's something I would leave with you today, is that your environment that you find yourself right now should not limit you to what you can avail of in life. Don't be limited. I mean, we're just in small communities, small groups, small mini school discussions. Expand your knowledge. Seek more. Be hungry for more. Look for great mentors. The free mentorship courses online. Use that online data to build yourself up and look for much, much more. Because there are people that can encourage you to better. And don't limit yourself in what you're thinking or how well you can do or how you can grow. There's a lot you can achieve over the next few years. Ladies, it's been a pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Christine. I know you guys have learned a lot again, and thank you so much for all the tips you've given to us. I'm sure we're going to use these. You're leaving us?
I have another meeting. I apologize.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you please bring us, please? We have something to say thank you. So just want to say thank you for this. Can we just take a picture together? Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
So we're going to have a third speaker. As I mentioned before she came in, she's my elder sister. But sadly, people think I'm a mother.